So, magte-testing kami ng main engine, dapat lahat naka-check. Starting air valve, starting distribution, starting pressure, control air, turning gear, auxiliary blower, inspection. Lahat yan naka-check. So, tumawag na si chief engineer ko dito sa bridge para mag-testing.
Ayun, Aster na. Okay na, auto.
Oo, auto.
Yan, naka-auto yan.
Testing.
No? Tapos
Head
yan.
first.
Head. Head. May RPM.
Okay, good. I no.
Op. Iakal sa atin dito. Number 1, air compressor. Okay, air. Air.
Oh, pressure low.
Air. Knowledge. Then, one again.
Aster.
Photo stop. Then, dead slow, aster. Yun. Kita nyo yung RPM. No? Magalaw yung RPM dito mga guys. Tapos na testing ng engine.
And change the
And after, icon.
Then, natawag siya sa bridge. Kita nyo, no? Guwapong-guwapo yan, no? Hindi halatang masakit sa ngipin.
Okay na, ilagay yung call. Tapos tawag lang ng
Yun.
standby time.
Ipindutin nyo dito, mga kaibigan.
Okay. Kaya mataas na yung pressure.
Bridge. Accept sa bridge, mawawala na yung tunog. Ito kami ngayon, paalis na kami ng Yantai, China. Going to another port.
Balik what?
14 hours, bibiyahin na kami. Pupunta kami ng kabilang port. Discharge sa 2 araw. Tapos na ang kontrata. Bye-bye Puma. Ito si port engineer, Rodrigo. Yun si third engineer. Ayun, doon. Tumakbo doon. Yung aking chief engineer.
With the superintendent.
Superintendent engineer. Speak, hi! Hello! Good. My friend, I am very sad because I'm going home. This very good guy. Number 1, chief engineer, superintendent.